Welcome to Somesh Travel World. Today we are in Munnar, Kerala's misty paradise known for its lush tea gardens, misty hills and vibrant wildlife. And in the heart of this stunning landscape lies a luxurious retreat that blends comfort with nature, the Panoramic Getaway Hotel in Munnar. Step into the sleek and spacious lobby where you are welcomed with warm smile. The check-in process is smooth and friendly, giving you the first taste of the hospitality you will experience here. The rooms here are designed for comfort and style, with each one offering a private view of Munnar's breathtaking landscape. The large windows bring in a natural light and the modern decor creates a luxurious yet cozy vibe. From plush beds and private balconies to modern amenities, every detail here is crafted to elevate your stay experience. As you enter, you are immediately greeted with a sense of luxury and coziness. The room is beautifully designed with a mix of modern and minimalistic elements that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This room features a spacious king-size bed which is not only comfortable but also beautifully arranged with plush linens and soft pillows. The lighting here is soft and cozy, making it feel like a personal retreat. One of the highlights of the Panoramic Getaway is its stunning infinity pool. Imagine relaxing here with panoramic views of the misty mountains, a truly surreal experience. The Panoramic Getaway in Munnar offers exceptional swimming facilities to enhance your stay. The hotel features two rooftop heated swimming pools, one designated for adults and another for families. These pools provide panoramic views of Munnar lush landscapes, allowing guests to relax while enjoying the scenic beauty. The Pavilion Suite includes a private heated plunge pool. This suite also offers amenities such as two-seater sauna, outdoor spa and a jacuzzi, ensuring a luxurious and private retreat. The Panoramic Getaway is also home to an Ayurvedic spa, offering a variety of treatments to rejuvenate your body and soul. From soothing massages to wellness therapies, it is a sanctuary of relaxation. The Panoramic Getaway in Munnar offers a well-equipped gym as a part of its extensive amenities. The Panoramic Getaway in Munnar offers a diverse culinary experience through its three distinct dining venues, each designed to cater to various tastes and preferences. Located on the ground floor, Amy is a multi-cuisine restaurant offering a wide variety of culinary options to guests. The restaurant serves breakfast, lunch and dinner featuring a selection of Indian, Chinese and continental dishes. Guests can enjoy meals in a comfortable seating with attentive services. For those seeking a unique dining experience, Over the Top offers rooftop dining with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. This venue provides an alfresco setting, allowing guests to enjoy the meals under the open sky, complemented by the natural beauty of Munnar. Now let's explore the hotel tariff. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Panoramic Getaway, one of the most breathtaking hotels in Munnar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Somesh Travel World.